Hello, welcome to a new video from Maatwielen, my wheel building company in the Netherlands. This video will explain you how to remove a stuck body from a hub axle. When a body is new, it can be easily disassembled. In fact, the body of some hubs can simply be removed by hand, like this one from DT Swiss. Most bodies are removed by simply pulling them off of the axle like this after having removed the end cap. Due to corrosion and dirt buildup, however, the body can get stuck, in some cases very stuck. Now this presents a problem when you need to service the hub and body, because you need to remove the body to gain access to the body bearings and hub bearings. If the body is only slightly stuck, you can often still remove it by hand with a little force, or by leaving a few sprockets on the body and pulling at them for more leverage. Or instead of pulling the body off of the axle, you can try to drive the axle out of the body with an appropriate tool. Most axles are driven out from right to left, but not all of them. The axle can resist a couple of serious blows, but don't exaggerate, as the axle end may become wider as a result, making it even more difficult to remove the body, as the body will eventually have to pass that slightly wider end. Now, if the body is really stuck, you can use a 2 or 3 arm puller to pull the body off of the axle. This tool is also known under other names, such as gear puller, bearing puller, and is used mainly in the automotive industry to perform tasks like the one I will show you now. Apart from an arm puller, you need a small sprocket, a cassette lock ring, and an object, it can be any object, that goes between the end of the axle and the pin of the arm puller to protect the axle and to provide support for the arm puller pin. Okay, now let's say this body is very stuck. We're going to slide on the sprocket. We're going to screw on the cassette lock ring. Then we take the arm puller with the object that goes between the pin of the puller and the axle. We make sure that the arms are behind the sprocket. Then we're going to turn the knot here, and in this way you see you're pulling off the body. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video or live stream. Thank you for watching.